Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher. Today's drawing video is about how to draw a Nightmare Before Christmas self-portrait. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button in the corner. It helps me make more of these. Now let me tell you more about that self-portrait, which is drawn in the style of the artist Tim Burton. This self-portrait drawing imitates the style of the artist Tim Burton, namely that the eyes are very large and filled with lots of white color. There's also a very distinctive gray shadow all around them. If you mix those two ideas with your own features, you'll have a Nightmare Before Christmas self-portrait of your very own. Let's get started. First, you need to collect your art supplies: gray or brown cardstock paper, pencil, black marker, and colored pencils. You can also download this free How to Draw a Nightmare Self-Portrait tutorial from my website. Please note that you may also want to use a ruler, which I did not picture here. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to make two centered guidelines on your paper. Use a ruler to draw a line lightly down the middle in both directions. These lines will help you draw a symmetrical face and fill up the entire paper. Step number 1. Start by drawing the top right curve of the head. Then add the top left curve. Now start the bottom right cheek and chin. And then finish with the left side. I'm making my chin extra pointy just for fun. Step number 2. Draw a very large oval for the right eye. And the same size oval for the left eye. Step number 3. Draw a dot for the pupil in the right eye and add eyelashes above and below. And then do the same for the left eye. The nose can just be a very long and skinny L shape. Step number 4. Draw a simple small mouth. This also makes the eyes look extra big. Then add 2 lines for the neck. Making it extra skinny will also add to the cartoon look. Step number 5. Draw a small ear on the right and then on the left. Now add an eyebrow on the right side and a matching eyebrow on the left. Step number 6. I have bangs, so I'm going to add them here, but please draw your own forehead however it looks to you. Then draw the right side of your hair, however long or short it might be. And finish with the hair on the left side. Step number 7. Now you can erase any extra pencil lines that you see. And there, this drawing is done. It's time to trace everything with a black marker now. Go slowly so you can stay right on those pencil lines. And when you are done, take a minute to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. Now comes the fun part, filling in those eyes with a white colored pencil. Take your time and color really well so that white color really stands out. I recommend coloring your hair black to make it more dramatic. That's totally up to you though. It could also be colored white. And those 2 eyebrows are filled in with a black colored pencil. And now for the shadow around the eyes. Use a regular pencil to softly draw a band all around the outside of each eye. Make sure the shadow is wide so that you can really see it when you're done. The lips can get colored with that pencil as well. I'm going to add a little shadow to my nose. And a shadow on the side of my neck. Well, all right, this very cool self-portrait is done. I love how a pencil is the perfect tool for a shadow on this project. It's not messy like charcoal and is easily erasable if you want to fix something. Works like a charm. Hey, thanks for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial. I have even more Halloween drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a haunted house and how to draw a skull. I hope you check them out too.